How to love eye exercises to recover eyesight. For example, if you have a habit of going to the gym, get some results, muscles grow, endorphins get high, and therefore people like to see progress and go to the gym. Of course, a little lazy, but you like to do it. Top 5 natural motivation to improve your vision with eye exercises. First main reward for doing eye exercises is your clear vision, and this is your motivation. If you motivate yourself enough and trust the logical process, you will succeed. And if you are not able to motivate yourself, most probably you will not put any effort into doing this. Second, a vacation in some exotic country is very helpful for a vision. For example, in a green country with fruits, with visualizations, with beautiful nature, by the sea, this is a huge blessing for you and your vision. Therefore, change the pictures around you more often. Look around more often. In general, look more often. Go along new roads to see something new. Screen lights are harmful to the eyes, so it's better natural one. I recommend at least once going on vacation to look at the beautiful landscapes and the ocean on palm trees. By the way, if you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course, the link will be in the description below. Third, get up early and look at the sunrise. It is a very beautiful and very good, productive start of your day. Fourth, watch the sunset and its amazing views with a fresh breeze and fresh air. Fifth, dynamic relaxation when you swing and relax your mind and eyes. Look for a state in which you feel pleasure, and if you find it, you would like to stay in this state more and you will enjoy doing it.